Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the error content is no longer available on Xbox for Black Ops 6, and let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is on the home page, just look for Black Ops 6, and what you guys are going to do is click on the three horizontal dots, this button right here. Just click on it and it's going to say something like manage games and app, or it's going to be like the bottom one, manage games and data. You want to basically click on that, and then once you click on that, you're going to go to the bottom and it's going to say reserved space. You want to click on reserved space, and then once you click on reserved space, it's going to say another option where it's going to say clear reserved space, and you're going to say yes, clear. Just click on clear reserved space. I don't have the game downloaded, so I can't show you like everything, but it's basically like 2 or 3 steps. It's very simple. So again, just click on Black Ops 6 first, click on the 3 dots, and it's going to say manage games and data. You click on that, and then it's going to say reserved space on the bottom. You click on reserved space, and then it's going to ask you if you want to clear the reserved space, and you want to click yes. And once you do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. I also do recommend restarting your Xbox as well, and you can do that by clicking on the Xbox logo on the controller, head over to power, and then just click on restart console. And once you do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.